Are you looking for the best solar showers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best solar showers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lzfitpot Portable Camping Solar Shower. This item is worth exploring for consumers who fancy a multi-functional solar shower. It has a blue storage bag made from fabric and PVC. The shower pipe is attached to the bag and is non-removable. Here are the features that make this product suitable for outdoor activities. This is an ergonomic feature that promotes ease of operation. You can access the black cap that has a decent size quickly. Also, the sufficient diameter makes it simple to fill the bag with water. Hence, there is no issue of water wastage due to spillage. The surface of the solar shower bag has a small mesh pocket. Hence, campers can store small items in this compartment. This feature adds convenience and utility for the user, adding value to the overall shower. Still, it is essential to realize that the pocket is suitable only for small items. The shower has a small black adjuster that can fix the position of the water hose. This feature comes in handy when you need a fixed length. Also, the adjuster makes it easy to arrange the hose. Hence, the overall package remains easy to carry in the luggage. You can find a handy temperature gauge on the shower bag surface. This indicator allows users to stop the solar heating process as per requirement. Moreover, this feature is vital to provide a good idea of the water temperature in the unit. You can adjust the heating process according to the weather. Moving on at number 4, we have the Milestone Solar Camping Shower. Milestone Camping brings a super affordable solar shower for all camping enthusiasts. This product is as simple as it gets, with no extravagant features. The whole design is focused on utility. Still, the Milestone Solar Shower ticks all the right boxes in terms of required functions. The tube of this solar shower is flexible to facilitate easy showering. Its position on the solar shower bag is ergonomic and allows easy water flow. In addition, you can always use the on-off switch to operate the shower. This switch is situated at an easy-to-access position. A PVC bag is the main water storage unit in this solar shower. It is simple in design and has limited outlet ports or positions. So, you do not need to worry about water leakage. Further, the bag can resist rainwater, dust and other contaminants during camping activities. The bag can store up to 20 liters of water. This amount of liquid is sufficient for more than 2 people. You can use the water for fishing, camping, hiking, and washing activities. Moreover, hot or warm water can be instant access under ample sunlight with this storage. The brand claims a heating duration of approximately 3 hours. This brisk pace is suitable for outdoor activities when you need to refresh and venture further. This heating pace results from the outer material that attracts heat efficiently. In addition, the black layer accelerates the heating of the water contained inside. At number 3, we have the Wadeo Foot Pump Portable Solar Shower. This item from Wadeo is a set of the carry bag, tank, foot pump, and nozzle. So, if you want a foolproof solar shower system, this can be a perfect product. However, be ready to spend some extra money as the pump arrangement adds to the cost. Still, this set is loaded with features, making it unique from other solar showers. The solar shower storage tank has a transparent indicator with markings. You can easily spot the water level and fill the shower accordingly. This feature adds convenience and control to the user. So, you can decide the amount of water for a specific purpose like bathing, fishing, or washing. Below the water level indicator, you will find a small temperature level gauge. Hence, you can assess the condition of the water under the influence of sunlight. Having a temperature indicator is handy to avoid unnecessary accidents due to extra hot water. So, you have more control over the water coming out of the shower hose. This accessory allows users to add pressure to the shower storage unit. So, you have another aspect under your control. Notably, you can vary the pressure as per your requirement. Hence, you can use this shower for various applications like washing cars, dishes, or even bathing your beloved pets. At number 2, we have the Asanmu Solar Shower Bag. If you want a multi-purpose shower that works great with solar energy, this product is worth exploring. You can carry it for a long cycling and camping session easily. Furthermore, the strap locations are well designed to keep the overall unit confined for optimum portability. These features make the Asanmu shower bag a good value for money piece. The handle strap on top of this solar shower bag resembles a traditional luggage bag. It is simple to carry and hold in hand, so you receive high convenience for the purpose of portability. A strong handle strap ensures longer service life as the shower bag remains in a firm position to the entire unit. At the bottom of this solar shower, a small buckle or slap confines the shower pipe. This ensures proper alignment of the water hose. Overall, this feature adds to the durability of the overall unit. Each component is closely attached, ensuring compactness and better manageability. You can fill water in the shower bag and stop worrying about possible leakages. The PVC bag has a high-quality build that prevents leakage. Still, it is vital to practice essential care tips for all such solar showers. You should keep the bag away from nails, screws, or similar pointy objects for longer life. The solar shower has a water temperature indicator at the back of the bag. This indicator comes in handy to keep track of the water status. So, you can plan the sunlight heating according to your requirement. Moreover, this feature works well if you can utilize enough sunlight for temperature variation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Navaris Solar Camping Shower. This camping shower is an ergonomic and well-designed product that provides adequate convenience to users. It has a sturdy construction and easy-to-read instructions printed on the bag. The hose valve design is impressive and does the job perfectly. Let's take a look at the features that make this shower bag worth exploring. The solar shower bag is made from black PVC material. Hence, it can absorb sunlight without any practical hurdle. PVC is known for its exemplary service life and resistance to external contaminants. Also, the dimensions and design of the PVC bag ensure firm build quality. The height and width of this solar shower bag are compact. Also, the thickness lies under 3 centimeters, which is perfect to fit in any luggage. So, you can fold this bag and carry it on the outskirts, beach, or any adventure. The shower pipe and head won't need much space, making the overall product highly portable. The solar shower bag has a practical hanging strap that enables users to position the unit properly. Hence, you do not have any issue holding the main bag under extreme sunlight. This feature adds to the convenience as users can find a tree bark and use the hanging strap accordingly. So, camping becomes more fun. The manufacturer provides a rigid strip in the unit to keep the solar shower bag firm throughout the journey. This strip ensures the bag does not lose its shape after hanging from an elevated position. So, you can expect this solar shower to have a good service life. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.